to open up mine right here. You can find it in your App Store or Google Store. Is it Play Store on Android? I'm not sure. I don't use Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dee. I'm your host for the new segment on our very exciting journey. It's called Unboxing, and we are going to unbox, unveil, and review some of the new technology and apps provided in the space right now that would make our life better. So before we start, please guys don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our videos, and follow us on our social media, and go to our website techcryption.com for daily news. So today on this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple app. It's a mobile app that actually helps with tipping and rewarding. It's called XRP Tip Bot. And I'm going to open up mine right here. You can find it in your App Store or Google Store. Is it Play Store on Android? I'm not sure. I don't use Android. So you can see on the interface, the first thing that you'll see is your Tip Bot balance. So basically for me, I already have some balance going on. Obviously, because our TechCryption does use XRP Tip Bot as our positive reinforcements and rewards between colleagues. So I already have some balance going on. I have a lot more. It's not that I'm not helpful around here, but I withdraw it to my wallet. So I'm going to take you step by step here. On the interface, you can see there's your balance, and you can send a tip, and also there's a QR code that you can use for your friend to scan it. So if you want to send a tip, you just click on send a tip, and you select a friend that you want to reward them with. So today, I think I'm going to send some to Nurul from Take a Break. If you've watched our video, you know Nurul. She helped me a lot today, so I think I'm going to send her 2 XRP. Why not? And you click confirm, and there you go. So easy, and it's so accessible by everyone, because to use XRP Tip Bot, you don't have to register with your email address or give out your personal information. All you have to have or do is register using either your Twitter handle, your Discord username, or your Reddit username. It's very simple and highly accessible because most people, I think, do own Twitter. So other than that, on your mobile app, you can also see history of transactions that happened before. And you can also see all your available contacts on the right side. And you can always add more with the plus button on top. And you just search for their username, Twitter username, Discord, or Reddit. Okay, so I've taught you all this. Don't forget, if you download it, you like it, you would like to recommend to your friends, I'll put it right here, just in case you want to send me some XRP. This is my Twitter handle. Thank you. So what are you going to do with all those XRP once you receive tons of it? Maybe you're popular at work, you're special, everybody loves you. What are you going to do with this money? All you have to do to withdraw or liquidize is to log on to xrptipbot.com on your desktop, and you will see on the top bar a button that says withdraw. So that means you just want to withdraw your money from XRP Tip Bot to a different crypto wallet. For me, I usually withdraw it to my Trust wallet, but you can choose whatever wallet that you want. So basically what you do is just click on withdraw, you key in your XRP address and destination and how much you want to withdraw, and shoot! Just like that, your money belongs safe and sound in your crypto wallet. Okay, yeah, so that's the recommendation or the review that we have for today. Try it out. I promise you, if you lead a small team or you have a startup, you are an entrepreneur and you want to cultivate crypto positive environment, you can definitely give XRP Tip Bot a try. It's very simple to use, very highly accessible, and to us here in TechCryption, we definitely give it a 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching the video today. If you like our segments, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow us on all our social media. And I'll also link down below an article about XRP Tip Bot and how it helps with positive environment around the office. And I will see you guys on the next video next week. Bye-bye!